Ladies and gentlemen, the following contest, scheduled for the best 2 out of 3 falls with a 30-minute time limit, is for the Florida Heavyweight Championship.
Imagine the nervous butterflies flowing throughout the stomach of Justin Angel at this moment. Heath Slater, he believes, bar none, that he is the best in the world, and tonight he has a chance to prove it.
Got a backslide.
Oh, that's it!
He got him.
Heath Slater just won the first fall. Justin Angel is almost in a sudden death mentality now. Slater knows how close he is to retaining the Florida Heavyweight Championship. One pinfall away. Gotta wonder, Slater thinking in the back of his head, all I've got to do is just hold on. Vintage Justin Angel.
Reaching down now. Now, fitness picking up just a little bit.
High risk. Oh, gosh. The pain all over the face of Justin Angel. Oh, wow.
Clock on the wall is ticking right here for Justin Angel. Opportunity slipping away out of his hands.
Well, wait a minute. Angel,
got him hooked
Angel
up.
caught the sunset flip. Cover. Angel
He
gets
got
a
a
fall.
fall. He got a fall. He tied it up.
Just under 5 minutes left to go.
Oh, man. I think the ball game just started. You know what I mean?
All the champion has to do is hold on.
Got to turn up the tempo if you're Justin Angel. Wow. I mean, all I can say is wow. 1 minute to make history.
We are down to 40 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. The champion showing why he is who he is. On that second rope with Justin Angel. Trying to save his championship. Angel pushes him off. Angel on the top rope.
He's going for it.
Time ticking.
He's going for it.
10 seconds remaining. Angel with the cover. We got a new champion.
We got a new champion. Amazing.
4 seconds on the clock. Justin Angel has overcome the odds, and Justin Angel has just become your new Florida Heavyweight Champion. And he overcame that challenge with flying colors.